this is Dave Lorenzo with RainmakerLawyer.com, and our conversation today is about how you can use a very non-threatening introductory process to begin a relationship with a potential client. Now, when I say an introductory process, I'm talking about a strategic review or an audit. Now, I know what you're thinking. You hear the term audit and you think of an accountant or compliance, and that's exactly what I want you to think. And I'm going to give you an example. One of my clients works with medical doctors, and the entry-level service, the point of entry he uses to begin work with doctors is a review of all compliance-related issues in the medical practice. So, for example, that client will offer to review all leases, all documents related to HIPAA compliance, all documents related to hazardous waste disposal. He will review absolutely everything within the medical practice, and he comes back and presents a report of findings to those doctors. In that report of findings, he will often come up with different areas in which he can do some work for that client. So this is a great way for him to offer this service up front so that the client will work with him in the future. Now, you're probably thinking, well, how can I apply this to my practice? Let me give you a couple of other examples. A corporate transactional attorney can do a similar service, can provide a similar service for their clients as it relates to corporate documents or regulatory filings. An immigration attorney, for example, can work with a corporate client on all I-9 compliance related issues, and they can check all the files in a business organization for I-9 status compliance. A probate attorney or an estate planning attorney can review the current will in place as well as the living will and trust, and they can review any guardianship documents that may or may not exist. Now, you're not doing this to necessarily critique the work of another lawyer. You're doing this to look for holes or gaps where they may exist. And that's an opportunity for you to do work in the future. Now, if no holes or gaps exist, the client simply pays you for the audit and you move on. But what you've done is you've established a great relationship with a potential client in the future, or at minimum with a great referral source. So what I would encourage you to do today is to think of an area where you can create a strategic review or an audit and use that as a point of entry into a new relationship with a client. My name is Dave Lorenzo, and if you'd like more great tips just like these, you can visit me at RainmakerLawyer.com. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.